To begin with, this case should have never gone to trial. The state has not produced not one iota of medical evidence. Tom Robinson, can you point at Tom Robinson? Is charged with something that didn't take place. It has replied instead upon two testimonies of witnesses whose cross-examination has gone into question. Nothing but pity in my heart for the chief witness. But my pity does not extend as to putting a man's life at stake, which he has done in an effort to get rid of guilt. And I just ask, do you find that in the name of God, in the name of God, do your duty? Defendant, please rise. Jury, have you reached a verdict? We have, Your Honor, guilty.